Hey yo, what's going on guys? It's Shake. We're back with a brand new video. And by brand new video, I mean another unboxing, yeah. When I get more stuff, I want to show it. Also, I'm not watching the Sharks this time on TV. I'm watching the game in Beaver.
Hello everybody, and welcome.
Yeah. So again, if I lose focus, that's what I'm doing. We only have a couple of things here to show you. And one of them, you might be questioning me sanity for. I don't know. Okay, yeah, they will show up on the table, so I'll leave them in the box for now. So we got two more of these things. We got an egg. And this thing. Well, don't judge. Look, I know you think it's cool too, alright? If it stands, I'd be... Actually, it might stand there. Okay. Yeah. Again, I had no idea what the hell I was doing when I turned this on, so, actually, I just realized I'm not centered. There we go. Now you can see me. Yeah. Okay. Let's start out, of course, with the first things, which are the Jurassic World minis. Remember, these are Phase 2. And, never mind, I have two Phase 1 ones. What the hell? No, the Phase 2 didn't sell out that quickly, did it? Oh, wait. Wait. Nope, these are Phase 1. Walmart, what you doing? Oh, we got a T-Rex again. I was really excited too, because I was like, oh, I might get a chance of getting bumpy this time, and well, we have a T-Rex. Yeah, we have a T-Rex. So, well, this will go on display. The only reason I'm opening these things at all, by the way, is, wait a minute, is, because there's still two of these things I have not gotten. And I still have yet to get the two things that I still need. The two things I still need are the Triceratops and the Pteranodon, but in this one we got Iguanodon and Baryonyx. So, whippy. I mean, the odds of me getting something that I need out of those is very slim. I don't have my knife on me. There it is. I could have sworn I put it back in my pocket. Yeah, I have more than one knife.
Okay, it does not want me to open that way. Oh, by the way, editing quality should go up, because I now have an actual editor. But, because he doesn't cost money, you never know. Maybe it'll just be a very, very bad sequence of events. But I use iMovie, so hey, I'm not picky. Aha! Ooh, yes, now we're making progress. Now we're making progress. We're doing things a little bit unconventional. We're cutting from the bottom. Yes, from the bottom. Come on. No, off. And remember, kids, don't use a knife without parental supervision. Unless you're me. You thrive on stupidity. Off, please. It's slimy, my God.
Put prisons around them. There we go. There we go. We got it. We finally got it. Okay. Now, to do what Daniel did. Tube Man 2007 cracked it on his knee. Oh my God, that worked. Okay, we got the slime. Like at this point, whatever's not supposed to be on camera is just chucked off to the side. Okay. Ah. Hit the toy. Oh no! What'd he get? What'd we get? What the hell is it? Oh! We got a Ceratops. Where's its ass? There it is. Aha! We got it. We got it. Is it? Oh, a lot of stuff can kill it. Fantastic. Yay. La-dee-da. Where's its head? Ah, I already have a complaint about this. Who painted this? Seriously, who painted this? Why is the head different? And the tail, why is the tail different too? Also, where is the end, like, where's the bottom of the tail? This way? Yes, it is. Nope, the tail is not different. Why is the head, like... okay, like the body, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, the body looks like it was in, like, dust and mud and stuff. Same with the tail, a little bit off. The head looks like it shoved its head in, like, a chocolate, like, lake or something. Like, look at this. What is that? What we got going on here? But it does stand, so. Oh, well. Now, let's move on to the thing that I must have had a stroke to buy or something like that. Oh, look at that. Wait, is that batteries? No, it doesn't. Ah. What is... Oh, this. Nothing important. I see. Okay. Okay, well, let's free his arm. I just... Ow. Where's that little plastic thing? There it is, okay. Oh, I full on just ripped it out. Okay. Oh, wait, you actually thought I was going to review this? No. I'm not. It speaks for itself. Beautiful eye work. There's no paint, so don't have to worry about that. But Mattel, why does it have color on its claws? All four of them? So tell me why, like, multiple of my Tyrannosaurus Rex ones did not. Just thought I'd point it out there. So, let me see. Let me think. It's got two little teeth actually on the side. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, yeah, I can. I know you can see that one. Anyway, so, in conclusion, did not need, but now have. Nice. The paint, 0. How can you hate this? 10 out of 10. Ta-da! Alright, well this was an interesting video. Yes. Also, I'd like to point out the fact that we have the room almost completely done. Got the this. So, you know what? Let's review this. Hey? Yeah. It's a body pillow. Yeah. We got T-Rex, we got Carnotaurus, we got Pteranodon. We got Pteranodon, we got Blue, and a really shitty Jurassic World game. Whatever. Anyway, that went really well. I did not think that was going to go as well as it did. So, in conclusion, my new editor is going to have a hell of a time. A hell of a time. So, another video should be coming out shortly, especially another unboxing, so expect one, because I convinced my mom to go to Walmart again. Yes, that's how I get all of this Jurassic World lovely stuff. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and until, well, no, not until, hold up, I'm not finished with the outro. If you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like, okay? Consider subscribing. Did you know that each subscriber gets my friendship immediately? Yes. I mean, you get my friendship automatically if you comment in this video saying you watched till the end. I won't believe you, but at least you just said something in the comments. Right? 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 So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, consider subscribing, please. Hit the bell to get all the notifications on when the latest video comes out. Leave a comment saying hi if I've asked you to do anything in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye. So, I'm watching the game in Beaver on my TV. And hold on one sec. And he's doing Jurassic World minis for the first time. Kid you not. Oh, come on! I kid you not. His third box was the Giga. And now, his fifth box, he has the Triceratops and the Pteranodon. The two I don't have. I spent over $50 on these things, I guarantee you. He buys a whole box, and he gets the three that I... Now he's got a stegosaur right now. I had to say something. Beavers! You got stuff. How do you do it? How does he get these things? I'm the first go, and I know he does not know what's in the box. Don't say that, because I've watched him get duplicates already. Again, he has 3 Iguanodon. He's like me. He's got 3 of those. What are the odds? Am I just that unlucky? I think I am. Anyway, I'm gonna go finish editing that unboxing video, and this is gonna be in it. Bye-bye!